Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You have several different ways to select document text and objects in Word. To select document text, click and drag your mouse over the text. This technique also works to select objects that have a text wrapping setting of inline with text. However, to select an object in your document that does not have the inline with text wrapping setting applied, you can click directly on the object to select it. Word also contains a Select button that appears within the Editing button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Clicking this drop-down button gives you several options for making a selection in your document. The Select All command, when clicked, selects all of the text and objects in your document. The Select Objects command, when clicked, lets you click and drag in your document to only select objects. This includes ink, shapes, and text areas, but not pictures. No basic text is selected when this command is enabled. This command can help you to select shapes that have a behind text wrapping applied to them. This function is highlighted in the Select button's drop-down menu to show it is enabled. To turn this command off, click the Select drop-down and then click the Select Objects command again. To select all the text in your document with the same formatting as the currently selected text, click the Select Text with Similar Formatting command from the Select button's drop-down menu. If you have inserted objects into your document, you can choose to display the selection pane. This makes it easier to manipulate the document objects. To view the selection pane, click the Home tab in the ribbon. Then click the Select drop-down button in the Editing button group. In the drop-down menu that appears, click the Selection Pane command. The selection pane then appears docked at the right side of the application window. Any document objects appear in this pane in the order they appear in the document. You can click the name of an object to move to that object's page. For overlapping shapes within a document, also note that you can click the Bring Forward and Send Backward arrow buttons in the upper right corner of this pane to change the order in which the selected shape overlaps another shape. To display all the document objects, click the Show All button in the selection pane. A stylized eye icon appears to the right of any visible document objects. You can also hide all the document objects by clicking the Hide All button. The eye icon then changes into a horizontal line on all objects in the selection pane. You can show or hide individual objects by clicking the eye icon or the horizontal line to the right of the object within the selection pane. Like all panes in Word, you can move or resize the selection pane by using the Task Pane Options button that appears to the right of the title. You can also close this pane by clicking the X button in the upper right corner of the pane, or by choosing the Close command from the Task Pane Options drop-down menu.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.